shot this one. Bump it this way. Okay.
Thank you. Hey, hey.
Move the camera, buddy.
How does this thing go? Dad, what are you doing?
So productive little session there after hitting the speed bump last night with the, well, thank God, actually, 'cause we need to get the boys to bed. So these 3-foot sections, I had to go in and, as you saw with the grinder, and cut them off. I'm going to do that again with this one here in a second, so that the male is not going against the male. And once you get that, get them rolling, it goes up pretty darn quick. So we're done with this course here. We're going to add another course across the top, maybe 2 more up there. And then we're going to add a couple more, probably add 1 or 2 more base here, and then maybe 1 or 2, and that'll be a wall. How about that? Amazing. And then we got to run the drain tile across the back. Man, looking awesome. Absolutely awesome.
What are you doing?
Hey, buddy.
What are you doing?
Chiseling this off. What are you doing?
Just got back.
From where?
I'm upstairs.
You went upstairs?
I mean up top.
There's no stairs up there, are there? So it's just chiseling this off now.
Why are you doing that?
Because the butts don't line up. And now they will.
That sledgehammer's strong.
Yeah, it is.
And is that sharp?
It's a 3-pounder.
That sharp, Dad?
It is pretty sharp. For sure.
Where do you go?
Get a jacket on, buddy. What, buddy?
I want to see how it is up there.
Come check it out.
Why are you banging those on?
Because they're in the way. Remember how our butts wouldn't fit? Remember how our butts wouldn't fit last night?
Where?
Well, remember when we tried to put the two blocks together and they didn't fit? You know what you can do, Hanky? Is you can put all these behind the wall for fill. So any of these blocks that come off of here.
Oh, let's throw this at the concrete.
No, not at the concrete. Throw it at the back of the concrete.
The back of the concrete?
Yeah.
Is the back of the concrete?
No, the back of the concrete is like the back of the wall there.
Oh. So, why not at the front, though? Why
Good.
can't go at the front, though?
Because we want the front to look pretty, dude. Right? Duke and Ford outside. It's oil change time. Duke and Ford outside.
his way.
Huh? How would I get anything done if Hank wasn't with me? How would I get anything done if Hank wasn't with me?
Valid.
Huh? Yes. And you're gonna learn from a pro. Go get the oil change kit out there. I know, it's too late.
Can I do that too?
Now this one's a little above your pay grade here, guys.
Why?
Back up.
Oh,
Back.
but you need glasses.
You need glasses and big arms. Back up, guys.
Yeah, grinder. Oh, you cut the cracks with the grinder.
What's that, buddy?
You cut the cracks with the grinder so it's easier to hammer off.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty slick, actually. But now our butts can touch.
How did you stack these so high?
Isn't that sweet?
I know. So cool. Hey, Dad, I'm
Yeah.
above you.
What's
Dad,
that?
I'm above you.
I know you are, buddy.
Dad, I'm Spider-Man. I use my webs up to get up to you. Watch. Spider-Man. I heard you that, but what number do I have to be at? The highest block. The highest block. I don't think I went to the highest block. Watch. So you have to get up here, and then you have to get up to here. But it's super high. It's so high though.
Yeah, don't go up there, Hank. It's too high for you, buddy.
Why?
Too high because you'll be too scared.
I've jumped off from this. Yeah.
Starting to get windy, boys. All right, let's get this thing done.
I'm gonna get off here.
Here, help me put a block down.
Can I do it with you?
Sure. Somebody's got to hook me up. So here's the future of the Rowley Building Company. We got Duke. Duke's the superintendent right now. Ford is the operator. How we doing, boys? We're cleaning up the hillside. We're cleaning out what was that? Slip and slide.
Yes.
And we're getting ready to backfill here. Got our fabric in place. We got to move a couple of these stones a little bit, but this will all then serve as backfill. We're going to fill the rock front. Back to work, boys. Let's go. Back to work. Come on. little bit more. Beautiful. That's good. Good job, buddy.